we're going to try something else in this project. This is our pantry. Pretty simple. Just the white wire shelves everywhere. Lots and lots of wasted space back here. So we're going to rip all this out. At least that's my plan. Going to try to do some built-ins with maybe a little tabletop right there. So just wanted to get a shot of it before I started. Okay, we're all cleaned out. Big space. Nothing in it. So here's what's really fun. The previous owners used anchors everywhere. So it looks like a bunch of bullet holes all over the pantry. Alright, so we got all the holes filled, sanded, filled again, sanded again, and it turned out okay. Nothing spectacular, but a bunch of holes. Switched my plan on how I want to do this exactly, but first of all, rather than going around this baseboard trim, I'm going to try to take it out without breaking it. I bought, clever name, trim puller, made by somebody called Zenith Industries. So I'm going to give that a shot. I'll try to do a little video of me either mangling the wall and the trim or it actually working. So more to come. So this is actually pretty dang cool. I don't know that I can get it on film. I'm going to try, but this quarter round came up. I fought with this stuff before. You see the nail's still there in there, which is fine. I fought with this stuff before where I've broken the quarter round, but really what they want you to do is put this at the end. Let's see if I can get this. Maybe I can. I just hit it just a couple times, and you can see it's already getting in the surface right there. I keep on going down before I actually pull this out, but let me see if I can, you can see it. Well, there you go. You can see it, leverage it all the way down. See, that is just fantastic. I've done this, like I said, I've done this before, and it's taken me, I don't know, double, triple, quadruple the time, and I've mangled the quarter round. So this thing actually does a good job and doesn't destroy it, so I'll end up using this again. Now, question is, how will it work on the actual baseboards? So I'm going to take the rest of this quarter round out and then hit the baseboards and maybe do a video of that if I don't mangle it, even if I do mangle it. Alright, okay, last video on this. You can see here it's working great. I didn't really follow true directions here, and I managed to do that and that. But it came after I started following directions, it came off fine. Basically, just start here, start slow, and just slide it on one end and let the tool do what it's supposed to do, which I didn't do. There's a little lip on the other side of this tool that pushes it out, and so it allows this to pull the trim out. So I'm going to have a little touch up. The way I'm going to be doing this, the cabinet that I'm going to be putting all the way around here is going to cover that up, except right at the end right here, and I'll touch that up. It's really not a big deal, but the biggest deal was getting this trim off, which some people just will cut into it and build over it, but I thought it would look better if we put the trim on the outside of the cabinets, shelves, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm doing. hopefully it'll keep on going going the way it's going right now. All right, until next time. All right, so another lesson learned. In this particular floor, the tile here came above the baseboards. So even if you pry it away from the wall here, it's still stuck down here. So as you can see, I put a hole there, and a hole there. Ooh, and a hole there, which doesn't matter because the base that I'm going to build for the cabinets is going to go above it. Not a big deal, but to fix that, once you start prying it away, and it doesn't take much to pry it away from the studs, I just took a tiny little pry bar and put it under here, just enough to lift the baseboard up a little bit, and it pulled right out. So looking back, I could have saved all this. Unfortunate, but now I know. Still, this great tool, great tool. Couple it with this thing right here though. Okay, I'm not sure whether I had painted in here or it was painted in the last video or not, but painting's done. Have some holes left still. That's okay. All this stuff I can fill as we go. But I've got my platform built, 13 inches this way and this way. Of course I'll fill in the seams, but this will give me, already done the dimensions to get all the shelves built up. And also put in a new light, better than the old single incandescent, but now we still got some spots, but we're going to get some of these ledger boards in to see what that covers and then fill from there to finalize it. That's where we are right now.